Hi everybody. Boy, it's a gorgeous, crisp evening. Been raining for 2-3 days. The air's real crisp, and so today I've got a plan. So here is some fresh peppermint. So I'm gonna cut 3 or 4 of these little sprigs. I'm gonna go over to my little lemon tree, get a lemon, and I'm gonna brew up some fresh, organic peppermint tea for the evening, curling up on the couch and watching some TV. So I'll be back in just a second. Okay, so I'm back inside. I've got my little tips of peppermint, 4 or 5 of them. Doesn't take much. I've got a fresh Meyer lemon off the tree. Got a couple of cups of water, waiting for it to boil. As soon as it starts boiling, I'll drop these in the water, turn it down to simmer for 2 or 3 minutes with a cover, and let it steep for a few minutes. And I'm gonna have some delicious fresh mint tea. Be back in a sec. All right, I'm back. I let the tea steep for 2 or 3 minutes, not very long, with the lid on. Poured it out, and look at that gorgeous color. Amazing, huh? So what I'm gonna do, a little stevia for me. A little stevia for me. I like cream in mine. And a little of my fresh off the tree Meyer lemon. Now, if you could smell that, you'd be ready to drink it too. Well, I hope you guys like this video, and maybe you'll start some peppermint. It's really easy to grow, and we appreciate you taking the time to visit with us today. We would appreciate it as well if you would like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.